Tired of getting clobbered online? Let's master the basics with a league training match in FC Mobile and dominate the pitch. First, tap on the league tab at the bottom of your screen. It's right there in the center. Next, look for the training button. It's usually located near the top of the league screen. Give that a tap. Now you'll see a list of training matches. Choose one that seems interesting to you, or just pick the first one. They're all designed to help you improve. Select your team. You'll probably just use your current main team. Confirm your selection. This is your pre-match screen. Take a quick glance, make sure everything looks good, and then tap the play button at the bottom. Now, play the match. The objective is usually simple, like scoring a certain number of goals or completing a set of passes. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've completed the objective, you'll see the post-match screen with your results and any rewards you've earned. Congratulations! You've completed a league training match. Now go practice for those online matches.